What you have to do is to first multiply that number by 10, then divide by 2. You know, to multiply by 10, you just add 0 to the number. That is, to multiply 86 by 5, you just add 0 to it. That would give 86. Then you divide it, it will give 860. Then you divide it by 2. And this will give 430. That is 86 times 5. 498 by 5. You just add 0 to the number and that will give 4980. Then you divide it by 2. Divide it by 2 and this will give 2490. And that is it. Also, you can decide to first find half of that number, then multiply it by 10. That is, if you want to multiply 88 by 5, you can just look for half of 88, and that will be 44. Then multiply it by 10, and this would give 440.